Hello friends, welcome to Rainbow Short Academy, and today we are going to discuss about the newly introduced or commissioned ship in Indian Navy, which is INS Kavaratti, which is an anti-submarine warfare corvette. So INS Kavaratti is an anti-submarine warfare corvette of Indian Navy which was built under Project 28. So before moving further, we should know what is Project 28. Also known as Kamorta class corvette. It is a class of anti-submarine warfare corvettes which will be introduced in Indian Navy, and they are built by Garden Reach shipbuilders and engineers of Kolkata. They will be the first anti-submarine warfare stealth corvette built in India. Stealth corvette means they have been upgraded in technology so that they cannot be easily traced by radars. So the Project 28 was approved in 2013. The first ship which was introduced under Project 28 was INS Kamorta in 2005. The other ships included in this are INS Kadmat, INS Kiltan and INS Kavaratti. So moving further, the Project 28 was an attempt of Indian Navy for the indigenization of Indian Navy, because in this project around 90% of content is drawn from India, and this step was taken for making Indian self-reliance on the defense manufacturing. Moving to the history of INS Kavaratti, the keel of INS Kavaratti was laid on 20th January 2012. The estimated cost of this ship was around 17,000 crore. The name Kavaratti was taken from the Union Territory of Lakshadweep in India, as Kavaratti is the capital of Lakshadweep. If we talk about the design of Kavaratti, this ship is capable of fighting under nuclear, biological and chemical environment, which shows its warfare capabilities. It is also a frontline ship of Indian Navy with advanced stealth features and low radar signatures, which make it very difficult for the radars of enemy's ship to trace down these ships. The ship can carry around 17 officers and 106 sailors. Corvettes are the smallest fighting ship in Indian Navy. There are other smaller ships than corvettes are there, but if we talk about the main or big ships which are fighting ships, they are corvette. After corvette comes frigate, then destroyers. These three classes are there, and below corvette there will be fighting boats, small boats will be there. So now let's talk about the features of INS Kavaratti. These ships have India's first superstructure of carbon fibers with less weight and improved stealth features. The length of this ship is around 109 meters and the breadth around 12.8 meters. The top speed this ship can attain is 25 knots, and the displacement of the ship is 3,300 tons. It is powered by 4 diesel engines. INS Kavaratti is armed with medium range guns, torpedo tube launchers, rocket launchers and close-in weapon systems. It is also capable of fighting electronic warfare. So moving further, what type of armaments this ship has, which include 7.62 mm OTOR GM guns. These guns are used for close range fights. Other than that, there will be 2 pairs of AK-630M CIWS, which stand for close-in weapon system. They are also used for close range fight. Other than that, they have anti-submarine rocket launchers, which is called RBU 6000. Other than that, it has 16 Barak SAM missiles, which provide air cover to this ship. Other than that, it has 2 pair of 3 torpedo tubes, and it can carry 1 wasteland seeking helicopters. Wasteland seeking helicopters are the transport and utility helicopters. By introducing of all the ships from the Project 28 gives power to Indian Navy, and it increased the strength and warfare capability and dominance in the Bay of Bengal area. So that's all for today guys. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell icon so that you don't miss any of our videos. We at Rudrapur have state-of-the-art campus and a full-fledged GTO ground. So every month we have 3 batches of 12-day SSB course. Apart from that, we have a 5-day GTO course and we also organize a PPDT overview for a very nominal charge. If you're interested to know more about any of these courses, make sure that you give us a call or drop us an email on the number and email ID which is appearing on your screen. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook to get the latest updates of the Academy. Once again, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our future videos. Till then, goodbye and take care.